Alright, Tay, you can come up here. Alright, Blizzard gets started off with the ball. I have no information on these players other than Robo.
What's going on, guys?
So we'll see what happens here. Are they going to do double rush, or are they going to just play... Okay, they're going to play with extra DB.
Robo in the pocket. Nice. Hope they win. Got 900K on the line. Be nice if they win, man. Be real nice if they win.
Dante, you want the Bulldogs to win?
I mean, I took them on a bracket to win. I mean, I always take the underdog to win. Makes my job easier. But I would rather have the Bulldogs win, just because if the Blizzards play the Musketeers, that's just gonna be a blowout. I'd rather see like a close game.
Who are we gonna play, Dante? Next.
Friday.
No, who are we gonna play?
I don't know yet.
Alright.
Is he moaning?
No. No.
So the playoff bracket was Tigers, Division Leaders, Sabertooths, Musketeers, Longhorns. So y'all gonna be playing Dante.
I'm playing Dante.
Believe so.
No, the Dragons are for sure not playing us. Dragons are gonna play like the Longhorns.
Yeah, Dragons play Longhorns. We play Sabertooths.
We're playing the Longhorns?
No, y'all are playing Dante.
No, they're playing. Dragons are playing Longhorns.
Yeah, y'all get to play Dante. Bro,
I thought Dante was with the Tigers.
He is, and he in the division. He's a division leader. So
I thought I was gonna play the Longhorns.
Yeah,
no,
Dragons
the
are
game.
playing Longhorns.
Yeah, because it was Scarecrows against y'all. Whoever won that played Dante. Yeah, it was us against the vacation
Dragons.
team. He's on the Dragons?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all play Longhorn.
Oh my god. This is going.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is about to be a Robo. Robo's about to absolutely spaz this game. So it's time to shine.
Oh my god. I hit his DM. I told him, I said, please, Robo, please win. I got 900K on y'all, man. And he said, okay. So I knew he was locked in, man. I really wanted Polar Bears to win, though. Damn. Teams like Tyler, man, want to milk.
Did the Hornets disband?
No.
Maybe. I don't know why they left, man. That could have been.
You should let the Sunshines go to playoffs.
Yo, alright, so I'm back to it.
If the Sunshines wanted to be in the playoffs, then they would have won more games. But I guess they didn't want to.
Yeah.
The Hornets won the
Robo
same
has
exact.
a wide open slant, and he overs.
Oh, he just over the slant. I think the Blizzards are cooked.
No, they just got a pick.
I still got them winning though, but like, yeah, it's a 3v4.
I got 900K on him, man. He got a wide open slant.
900K, yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, get cooked.
No, bro. I text Robo. He said everything's gonna be fine. I just need him to
That
start.
is not helping, bro. And they is not gonna win, bro.
Bro, he has the slants wide open. I don't know why he's trying to take a deep ball, bro.
He's wide right there. He just do a pick. Oh shoot! I just almost cut.
Who's the worst team in the league?
My fault, Dante. My team.
Longhorns.
Yeah.
Especially
why are they slanting in the same size? So we're pulling
he has
it's just a QB
no. What are you doing?
That's a beam. Oh no, never mind. That's not a beam.
Bro, I really
Second
wish.
down.
Wait, Dante, when will you release
I'll release that
later. Okay. He's finna get sacked, bro. Oh, he's wide open. Why would he cut?
Oh,
God.
No, that's on the receiver.
So,
cut back, bro.
Not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. The
It's
receivers
looking
are
like the
cooking.
Bulldogs. Even though it's, I don't know. I want the Bulldogs. I don't know.
Robo, please, good ball.
The Bulldogs got bro.
Bro, kick the field goal, bro. Kick the field goal, bro. Kick the field goal. Kick the field.
Bro's not kicking the field goal. Bro won the touchdown.
I don't want to pay.
What is this play called? Dick kick. WO line. He's by middle. Don't throw it. Oh, he threw it. Touchdown. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Hey man, no cussing. No cussing. Yeah. Yeah. Family friendly here, man. Trust. Oh, block take there. Oh shoot. I might drop the hard R though. I'm playing.
The Blizzards upset would be crazy.
A dragon is crazy. Yeah. I mean, dang. He's wide as short. Holy. Dang, trying to say 1K trashing. He's burning on the right side though. Hold on. He feels it. It's overthrown. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie. This could be tough, bro. Hold on. Let bro cook. Good catch. Oh yeah. Spin move. Hold on. Let bro cook. His first possession in the game. Holy. This might be receiver of the year. He's wide on this line. Whoa. I'm not gonna lie, that was receiver fault. I'm not gonna hold you, man. Hold on. Look. Touchdown. Oh my gosh. By who? I can't read his name, but
But he convinced his mom to stay on, so. Well, because we like winning and not risking.
Yeah, you could. The game plan to go to the Super Bowl is win games.
Who won the Super Bowl?
Who?
And I'm.
No, what?
This is gonna be fun. What?
Why
What
is
region
I'm the
is it?
Kool-Aid underscore man talking right now, bro?
What region is it? Oh, he got Trey on his team? Trey's my son, bro. Trey's my son.
He throws it up. Oh, that was not a good ball. The QB might be good. The QB might be good. Hold on.
3rd and 24.
He throws it up again. Is it caught? No, that's overthrown again. Holy.
Trey's my son and I'm his father.
Why is bro by QB? W trade? Nah, that's an L trade, bro. I'm not gonna hold you, man.
Polar bears are the best, bro.
I really wanted to pull his bears to win.
Hey man,
He throws it.
like
It's low.
No more, man.
He just gets dogs on. He got popped mid it. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'll be mad. I'm not gonna hold you again.
Hey Dante.
Oh, so we're
If there's refs in this league, hook me up, man.
Wow, I'll have to see.
Yeah.
Let me be a ref too, game. Trust the best ref here.
The best ref.
He's wide middle. He doesn't throw it. Oh, he throws that up. Good stuff. I don't know why they're playing man, but like, I still got the Blizzards
man in zone? That's.
I still have the Blizzards winning though. I still have the Blazers winning though. Just saying. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Squishy.
Wait, so the Scarecrows got knocked out of the playoffs first game.
First round.
Yeah, first
Yeah.
round. What's wrong, man? Darn.
Yeah, it's still like,
I can't relate to that, but you know, I feel your pain.
yeah. Alright, rubber back at QB. Let's see if he could shine again.
We were spamming
Anything.
LSs because they didn't play up.
Oh, he just throws it up. Wait, that might be a beam actually. Oh,
Trey is my son.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
He's not good. Even though he is pretty good, he's just today's not his day. Trey, the dude his name is Trey. It's in his username.
Man,
He's the dude that
Trey.
he just threw to. Right
He-
there. That's
wait.
a dime.
That's a beam. Oh my gosh. Wait.
That's not Trey. Never
Wait,
mind.
wait.
That's not Trey.
Let,
Trey typed in
Let
chat.
go,
Trey
Trey.
typed in chat. Trey's the number 4 with the duck floaty. I do not want them to win. Bulldogs on top. Who did the Musketeers play? Have they played yet? Had the Musketeers played yet?
No. They're a division winner.
You should just let your team play and had a sub. I mean Oh yeah, Trey. Boom, stick him, Trey. Boom, stick him, Trey.
The Musketeers will
he's
play
gone.
the winner of
He's
this
gone.
game.
This is sad. He's gone. Is he really though? He's gone. He's block.
Shut up.
Who's the last Super Bowl winners?
Longhorns.
I thought it was the Blizzards for some reason.
So, my AirPod keeps on dying, so like I'm cooked.
I've never heard about anybody
Touchdown.
in this league except for Trey.
Have you heard about me though? Like,
No. Wait,
But
what's
no
your
one's heard
username?
about you either.
no.
I know.
Alright.
I just kind of. I didn't judge join this league, but like I'm new.
No, that's good. That's good.
2-6.
Yeah. I miss those days.
Damn.
You left.
Oh.
Remember when you released?
No,
me?
you left.
Oh.
You went to go head coach. You left. Don't say that.
Nah.
You were gonna head coach
Why is bro
anyways.
lagging?
Dante told me. That's the only reason I got Mikey, because you went to go get head coach. I was like, well,
Oh, that's a
He
dime.
throws it up again. Oh my gosh, it's caught. Wait, hold on. 4v3-2. Oh my gosh. Late Robocop clutch up. Thanks.
If he,
Bro does not
If
want
they
to line
play
screen.
up
He's
at
right on the
red zone-
outroad. Bro,
Oh
not a
my
good
God.
that's
Red
an
zone.
exception.
best thing to do is just line screen.
Never mind. I don't have the Blizzards winning anymore. I think they're like a little. Like,
God.
what
that's
a burger.
I thought that was.
I'm not
dime
gonna lie,
from my
that's a
angle.
fit. Hold on. That was lucky. Golly,
Oh my
I know you're
God.
not talking about random now.
Hold
So
that.
Titty.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
We're in copper now. We're in copper now. We're in copper.
Oh,
We're
he
in
got
copper.
the block. He does not have the blocks. If he
Oh.
could get this touchdown, I'll pay y'all 500K. All right, there. What? Yeah. Stupid ass.
Oh, he's. Bro, don't throw that. Oh, that was that dime. 3.5 mil.
3.5 mil.
Why'd you that much? Is it at least Ruby's plus? Is it at least like anything you could put anything, or is it Ruby plus or Amethyst plus? Why did you
Bro,
agree to it?
So wearing a copy.
Pay attention to the game. God damn, commentate.
All right, guys. The score is 19-36. It's the Blizzards bar right now, chat. With 1 minute left in the second quarter. Oh yeah. Let's see
Robo.
what Robo could do.
Robust. Throws
He's
it up.
tossing the ball up. That's a great
To
move.
the ref drops it. The referee
It's
drops it.
overthrown. Right.
Referee drops it.
Okay.
Ref selling right now.
Robo at QB again. Let's see. Let's see his magic. He throws it. Good throw. He might get a touchdown though. Wait. He might get a touchdown. Bro's not getting a touchdown. A 44 yards reception.
Robo's gonna run it in.
They might score here with 30 seconds left on the clock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Run
They're
it
in their
in.
50.
Robo, you
I mean, they're
bust.
15 yard line. They're on Clint.
He stepped out of bounds. This burger.
All right. So Robo wearing copy.
Robo, we don't know how to play quarterback. He throws it up,
He just
and his
tosses the
receiver
ball
gets
up.
done.
And he throws another interception. The second pick of the
And
day
Robo
for
has
that
this,
DB.
has
Holy,
disbanded mid-game.
oh, I was about to cuss that too. Oh my god.
No.
Good throw by the Bulldogs. And he caught a timeout. All right.
Believing. Your mic's. You're not even commentating, bro. You're just like yapping.
On the 50 yard line. Bulldogs, but they have 6 seconds to score. 5 seconds. How long?
That's a dime. Yeah, we have eyes.
Oh my gosh. What in the world am I watching from the Blizzards, bro?
Robo watching the season go in flames right now.
If you was watching this
Come on,
long,
this is-
go ahead and
this
hit
is
the
crazy.
subscribe button.
Shut the fuck up. Sorry. Getting me annoyed. Oh. I guess I'm back to commentating.
All right, going to halftime, guys. 19 though. Don't tell me that says 44. Yeah, they're not getting paid. I'm sorry.
Bulldogs trying to make something? Oh my goodness, this man stinks. Robo trying not to get bent over. Overthrown by Drew Delph. Bulldogs have an open man. What is he? Oh. Dime. Oh my goodness. Robo's getting cooked. Not a surprise though. Bulldogs going for mercy rule, low-key. Open receiver and picked off actually. Wow, the Blizzards did something and he's taunting him even though he's down by almost 30. Why is he taunting? Robo getting pressured. No open men. Cross body throw. Oh my goodness. Robo trying to get a touchdown. And throw it to the defense. Oh my gosh, never mind. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh, man.
gosh.
This might be a comeback to it. This might be a comeback.
The Holy Spirit.
25-44
Amen.
in the third quarter.
Baptized.
This might be a comeback. Trust.
No such thing.
We're
Listen to
watching
the
greatness
defense.
right now. Oh my
The
gosh.
DBs,
Corner fade by Robo.
just,
Hold on.
DBs don't dive. If
This
I
might
was the
be
head
the
coach
next
right
rush
now.
on, bro. Hold on.
If the Blizzards come back, I'll personally give Robo 500k rep.
Oh, word? Me too.
It's not happening. That's how confident I am.
Alright.
If the Blizzards win this, I won't head coach next season.
Right. That's a fade. Oh my gosh.
I was probably not gonna head coach either way. And touchdown, Bulldogs! Bing! Bing, 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 yeah. I'm telling you, it's just gonna be them scoring points. They're not even gonna milk it. They're just gonna score every single
No,
drive.
it's not. Look. Gator. This is about to be a comeback.
If Robo comes back, what would I do? If Robo comes back.
You should do a phase review.
No, that's too much just for Robo coming back. He doesn't deserve all that. He doesn't deserve my glorious face.
Oh, alright. Sorry, I got it.
Mm,
No one's not wide open. They're on. Oh, he's just gonna toss the ball up.
that's gonna be an
Hold
overthrow
on.
because Robo can't pass the
Oh.
ball. He should stick to wide receiver, buddy. At least be decent at one
Rebel
position.
might be Tom
Come on,
Brady, though, actually. Really.
Robo's not Tom Brady. He's more like a Kenny Pickett backup.
Let Rebel cook, though. He's wide on the short right. Oh my gosh, good, though. That's just. Oh, yeah. Yards, too.
Where is he? It's crazy.
Yo, dang. This boy cooking, though.
Cooking? It's 27 to 51. I don't know what he's cooking.
Oh my gosh, good, though. Oh my
DB
gosh.
stinks.
Nah.
Passed by Robo though.
Rebel's cooking, though. Rebel's cooking. They're on the.
Robo 13
10-yard
for
line.
26. Robo's.
He's gonna take the
50%.
run. He's not gonna take it. Oh, he is gonna take the run. He could have died.
The
but like, I don't know
DBs
why
just
he
jump
didn't
over the quarterback.
die. All right. So we're not diving for the
we're
touchdown.
trying to lose. Two rushers.
Alvaro was wide open. Middle is wide
Robo's
open.
all the way back
Good,
up.
bro.
Touchdown.
That's good, bro. Third receiving touchdown by that dude. I don't know his name. But yeah. Open Techu. Come back here, Jack.
I'm going for two.
18-point comeback.
man.
I think I'm for two.
So the Bulldogs don't know what a fake
16-point
is.
comeback.
Interesting.
16 points. They're like down by like 2 scores. They'll be fine. Trust.
They're down by 16. Yep, 2 scores and 2 points. Not lying.
Oh, they might be
One
trendy,
stop.
actually. Hold
All
on.
they need is one stop.
Wait, no.
They're not gonna return it, bro. They're not that bad.
Tackle.
They're not as bad as my team at tackling.
Alright. He's running a little middle. He's not gonna throw.
Yeah,
he's,
middle open.
He's wide on now.
Throws.
good.
Oh my goodness!
Why is he diving though?
Why is he diving? What is he
He's not gonna
doing?
tackle. He's not gonna tackle. 45 yards.
Rudolph.
Open.
Rudolph.
Middle is wide.
Open man.
Kind of
Robo's lagging in the middle. Oh, never mind. Robo stopped lagging the play. Robo literally stopped lagging the play. Okay, let's go, Robo. He got the
Right.
one stop he needed. He can score. It's gonna be fourth quarter when he scores, and then goes for the onside. Just don't score
Robo
too
needs
quick
to play
now.
secondary.
Don't score too
If
quick
it's
now, Robo. Don't you dare. Don't throw that in the end zone. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away.
He gets Robo, what are you doing?
So we suck.
So we're gone. So Robo's choking in playoffs. All right.
So instead of throwing it away, we decided to fumble. Okay.
So we decided to just let them tackle us. All right. So we could.
See why we throw it away, Robo, when no open receivers are open.
So he just made it harder for them to win. So yeah.
Robo
Let's
just
go.
sold his team the game, guys. It's been great playing
Once
with y'all.
again. All right. Then
And
move.
the kick returner runs into a pile. Instead of going right, where here's an open lane,
This might be
Luke's running into
Devin Hester,
dudes.
bro. This
He
might
likes
be
to-
that Devin Hester, bro. He's low key running. I thought.
Oh my gosh, it's like a laser. To the ground. Wow, that's crazy.
Oh my gosh. That was close though. I don't know.
It was close as
He's
10
not
yards.
that
Yeah, it was close. It was 10 yards. That makes sense. They're
was
baiting
that, by the
him.
way?
Robo has no open man.
Far short.
Back
He
up
don't
again.
throw it though. Can the receiver do a comeback,
just
bro?
toss the one. Just toss the one, bros. Or yeah, throw it
Hold
away.
on.
Good job, Robo.
That-
Robo learned from his
Why
mistake.
is streaking, bro? If you don't route, bro, like dang. This
It's
dude,
QB.
like, bro, I was telling you,
It's 2 wide receivers versus 3 DBs. You gotta do something.
the kid could still like run a comeback, bro. He's just running straight though, like, bro, no. Like I want to cuss so bad, but
Oh my gosh, there's
but,
both
like,
running straight. Just throw it up, Robo. Your wide receivers are. Oh, never mind. He did
they're
something.
listening to me.
I lied.
Trust. All right, they still have time though.
All
They
this
can
just
go
to
for the
lose.
outside. Nah, trust. I still got the Bluetooth. He's right corner. He throws it.
That's
It's
why.
no,
Oh
that's-
my gosh,
that's a-
Robo.
Oh yeah.
Robo Brady.
Let Robo trust. I'm telling you, trust the process. Trust. They're going for 2 points. Wait, hold on. This might be another fake.
Oh my goodness. But this time they read it and still didn't get him. Wow. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So we suck again. If
This
they get
might
this,
be
they're
the
back in the game. They're back in the game. They get this. 2v4.
No wait.
Yep, not
Oh, they
surprised. He
didn't.
lost 2v4. Robo doesn't know how to do kick glitch.
That's
Ay,
a
ay.
kick glitch.
Open man already. That's a magic defense. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait. So
my
apparently
gosh.
the Bulldogs just
The
went
Bulldogs are giving them hope for no reason.
Drew Doof.
Now
This
imagine if
might
Robo
be-
didn't fumble. If Robo didn't fumble, they would have been even closer. Oh my gosh, Robo.
He gets sacked.
You know, lagging isn't the
Um,
best idea to do when you're almost in the end zone.
If he gets safety here, bro.
If Robo
I'll
sells
be-
twice on quarterback, bro, I'm gonna die laughing.
If he sells here
Take the
again,
run. You need the run. You need yards.
if that's smart.
Attaboy,
Big yards,
Robo.
big yards,
3rd and 22.
big yards.
Robo needs a miracle here.
It's not-
But instead of
It's
a miracle, his wide receiver's gonna run streaks. Yep.
He's wide though. I'm not gonna hold. If he go to that outside, he don't.
my gosh.
Wait, that's a big.
Oh my
Oh my gosh, good catch. Wait, hold on.
Wait, is this Julian Edelman and Tom Brady right here?
This might be Julian Edelman and Tom Brady.
Oh my gosh.
He's
Yeah.
kind of wide on the out route.
He had him for a
He
second.
don't throw.
He's just
Why
gonna
is
throw
he
the one.
tossing
That's all he can do.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Trey?
gosh.
That's Trey. No, Chad Trey. All right.
Go for the two.
I
Go
think
for the
it's
2.
2 point.
No, go for the 2, you burger.
It's another
Oh, okay.
fake, bro.
He has the open left side. What are you doing? Don't run it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna crash out. What are we doing?
He might just hold it.
We
It
forgot to
doesn't matter
click
if
the
they-
jump button. We forgot to click the jump button. What are we doing? He forgot to click the jump
Why
button.
did I
Now
just
they're
wake
down
up
by
from my
2 because
nap and it's actually a close game?
dude,
No.
if he would have clicked the jump button, they would have been down by 7. No. They would have been down by 6 if he Jump button.
onside, but like they couldn't get the 2 points. He's right on that out route. Good
Because the
throw.
wide receiver lagged. He said in
Bro,
chat that the wide receiver lagged as soon as he was going to catch it.
that's so
They would have
unlucky,
been down
bro.
by 7 points.
Robo Ashton, was this a girl? Oh boy. Boy needs to turn up.
They still got a chance. Good comeback route. Good
What a
bad
burger.
throw.
What a
Robo
burger.
locked in.
What a burger.
Robo got a lock in, bro. Chill.
Oh my
30,
goodness.
15. 2 minutes left on the clock.
Robo rolling out
They're
with the pressure.
down
Throws it to the
Bro.
defense. Never mind. Throws it to the ground. That's been Robo's best friend for a while now.
Can't
This is
can't
good
trade
inside his
route,
career,
bro. Good throw.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
He's still up.
Touchdown.
He's still up.
Oh my god.
I'm bussing.
Just. Oh yeah.
That
Oh,
boy.
oh yeah.
Hold up.
I'm bussing.
They could have been up right now, though.
They could have been up. Yeah, they could have been up if that wide receiver didn't drop the ball.
Just kick the ball, bro. Stop going
Oh.
for it. They're reading it, bro. They're reading it.
It doesn't
They
matter.
is not-
It doesn't matter.
It's a
Oh my
1 point
goodness.
game,
Oh my
ain't no way.
goodness.
Robo might
They would have
pull
been.
off
They
a
would have been winning
comeback.
right now.
Robo
They
might
would
pull
have been
off a
winning right
comeback.
now. They would have been winning.
Down by 1 point. Wait, down by 1 point. Hold on. If they get this onside, bro.
Oh yeah, they had the ball.
Oh, they
They
can't.
blocked them.
Oh, that's
They
unlucky.
really bullied bros.
Oh, frick.
They
Oh,
can
Ski's
still-
in here.
look.
Ski's watching this, bro. He's watching this madness.
Never had it,
Wide open
He's-
short,
he's
bro.
not gonna sleep.
Whoa.
dude.
Oh, he's
Oh,
Whoa. Let him score, Robo. Okay, never mind. That's
on
fine.
God.
whose Wi-Fi is it, guys? But you know,
Tell the game.
They have no rusher though, so like that's the thing that sucks. They have
What
no
is it
rusher,
doing?
bro. I like let them score. Not
Dude,
gonna lie.
they can literally.
Someone needs to step up and run at him, bro. Just give it, bro.
being weird
They
and saying
should
the
just-
clock like that is
He's just gonna
crazy.
do that.
They should just
Dude,
rush,
is
bro.
Robo
Like, just-
stupid? They're milking him on purpose. He's not gonna throw the ball anytime soon. He's had open men every single play. Like, look. Yeah, you're just stupid, Robo.
Oh, just rush, yo, gang, just rush. Just rush.
Attaboy, Robo.
And then he throws it out of
Yeah.
bounds. Yeah, okay.
It's a little late because he let him milk like 40 seconds.
Just rush, bro. Like, come on, just rush.
Just triple rush. Let him score, bro.
The best choice they could do is just let them score here and possibly get a stop on the 2 point conversion.
Robo, triple rush. Robo. Tell your team to triple
Or-
rush. Oh my gosh. Someone tell
just-
Robo how to
let's-
play. Someone
so let's
tell
just-
Robo how to be a head coach.
Robo who rush? Like, what are you? Why are you
Someone
supposed to
tell
play
Robo how to
DB?
be a
Let
head
them,
coach. Never
let them
mind. They're
catch.
stupid. Never mind.
You're supposed to let them score.
7 point game. It's
Exactly.
not over if they get this stop.
It's not over until I win.
Okay, what is
They just sold.
Yeah,
It is over.
It's over
Yeah.
now, guys.
Unless they score and recover the onside.
Bros were not locked up, bro.
I mean, they still got a chance.
Robo,
The
it's some
way,
shit,
the
like,
only way
I
they
don't know.
they gotta take,
What?
and you need it, bro. Why would you have 40 seconds, bro? You
Yeah.
can run it a little bit and run out of bounds.
You need to give Robo no space to work with.
That's what I'm saying.
To the ref?
You know, Dante, when
Yeah,
you went to
that's
sleep, Robo was down by 2 possessions and he had the ball and he fumbled in the end zone.
Oh, nice.
They could have been in the lead
He said,
by a lot.
You know, the receivers
Don't
rush
get a
deep.
sack, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh
Ref?
my goodness.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. 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 Oh my
Time out.
goodness.
There it is.
Time out, boy. Time out.
You know, the
my
receiver don't know how to
goodness.
dive in the end zone and get a touchdown, so you know.
The receiver got too cocky. Like, I'm
Well,
If you
really
score,
got
you gotta get this
touchdown.
onside.
If they don't get the
It's
onside,
like-
The
they're cooked.
line
Run the
screen is
ball.
open. Line screen, okay.
No, it's Robo got to run. Yep, right up the
Oh
middle.
my gosh.
Bro really mixed all the
Wait,
rushes,
hold on.
bro.
You made him run if you could, like, dumb.
Take the one. Just take the one. So then you have the field goal to win.
They're gonna fake it, bro. I'm telling you,
Yeah, probably so.
that's dumb.
Oh my
That
goodness.
play
Why he
didn't work.
died?
Bro, he
He
still
didn't get
got
tackled. He never got tackled. Okay, let's go.
I want to say why
This
he
is
died.
it.
Like,
This is it.
Onside. Please.
if they get this, bro, that's
It's
it's
it,
call
folks.
game. If they get this, they
They're
call
gonna
game.
block
Did you
like
call
crazy.
bank?
Look at the blocks.
I called bank.
I called
Yeah,
Yeah.
them blocks are crazy, bro.
That's the funny thing. They're weird. They're scary too, bro, for blocking, bro.
I would block too. I'm not even gonna lie.
And
Did you call bank?
he's
I
gonna
called
make
bank.
it.
Oh, he's gonna rush. Let him score. Let him score.
No, he's just gonna
Let him
milk. He's
score.
gonna run backwards, bro.
Robo.
He's gonna run backwards.
Robo. Just let it happen. Just let it happen, Robo. Just
Bro
let it
said
happen.
milking, but not even trying to tackle him.
Milking, man. Stop typing and
then
go
just-
tackle the man.
Hey, tell him to throw a safety, bro.
He said,
Throw a
"Look,
safety.
like, go to the
Hey, bro, you want to throw a safety? You want to throw a safety? That'd be funny, bro.
Yo, Trey, he's not stupid.
Throw a
Imagine he's like,
safety.
imagine he's like, fuck you, ski mask. I've been playing this all game. He just throws it a safety.
Bro, why is bro wide open middle?
Alright, that would be game. Imagine if he would pick that and returned it.
That
Oh,
would have been
God.
funny, bro.
If he picked that, boy, that could have been crazy. But then that's
with my hand in the coochie.
cause
Hey,
then
that's crazy how Robo still kept the game,
For
bro.
real, if they would have had a fourth, Blizzards may have looked you one.
Probably look.
Ski mask was watching that while sweating.
close though.
Wait, let's see what Ski Mask wants to say. Ski Mask, you want to come up here and speak? After what just happened?